This is the updated 2024 Hyundai Sonata, which incorporates a new design inside and out. The new front end has a sleek, horizontal accent light that runs across the entire width of the hood, while the quad LED headlights have been placed down low. The styling alterations continue at the rear where changes have been made to the trunk lid. New H-lights have also been installed, as has a tweaked light bar. Those who purchase the new Sonata in end-line guise will receive an enlarged front grille, distinctive 19-inch wheels, a more striking rear spoiler, and new dual tailpipes. The refreshed Sonata will be offered with a 2.5-litre inline-four, a 2.0-litre hybrid, and a 2.5-litre turbo for the N-line model. Significant changes have also taken place inside the cabin, where the 2024 Sonata is the first Hyundai to receive a sleek curved display. New for 2024 are dual 12.3-inch displays that are combined in one curved housing, as well as a 12-inch head-up display. There's also Hyundai's Digital Key 2, which allows owners to unlock the Sonata with their phone or smartwatch, a 12-speaker Bose sound system, power boot, and over-the-air updates for the infotainment system. On the safety front, the updated Sonata comes with autonomous emergency braking, blind spot assist, safe exit warning, rear cross traffic assist, lane keep assist, lane following assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, navigation-based smart cruise control, highway driving assist, rear occupant alert, and remote smart parking assist.